Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to safely jack up a Ford Transit. Before lifting, always prioritize safety. Park your van on a firm, level surface, away from any moving traffic. Engage the parking brake fully and place wheel chocks on the wheel diagonally opposite to the one you are lifting. Always wear appropriate safety gear, such as sturdy gloves and eye protection, to prevent injury. Ensure your jack can handle the vehicle's weight, which is typically over 3,000 pounds. Finding the correct jacking points is crucial for stability and preventing damage. For the front, look for reinforced areas on the chassis frame, usually just behind the front wheels. At the rear, the jacking points are often found on the rear axle or the main frame rails. Always refer to your Ford Transit's owner's manual for the exact, manufacturer-recommended locations. Using incorrect points can cause serious damage to the vehicle's undercarriage or suspension components. Once your jack is correctly positioned under the designated point, begin to slowly raise the vehicle. Turn the jack handle steadily until the tire you are working on is completely clear of the ground. Immediately after lifting, place sturdy jack stands under the vehicle's frame, close to the jacking point, to provide stable support. Lower the vehicle gently onto these jack stands. Remember, never, under any circumstances, work underneath a vehicle that is supported solely by a hydraulic jack. To lower the vehicle, first slightly raise it again with the jack, just enough to safely remove the jack stands. Once the stands are clear, slowly and carefully lower the vehicle completely to the ground. Remove the jack from underneath and then retrieve the wheel chocks. Before driving, always double-check that all lug nuts are tightened to the manufacturer's specified torque, typically around 140 foot-pounds, ensuring everything is secure for safe travel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.